Welcome back to the Project 2 workshop. Today I'm switching it up a bit. This is the beginning of a new series for the channel. With so many other guys putting out salvage rebuilds, I thought I'd throw my twist at it. For years, I've been driving rebuilt salvage vehicles as commuter rides for driving back and forth to work. I drive more than 80 miles a day just to get back and forth to work. I prefer not to devalue my vehicles that quickly. The newest car that I've purchased to fill this role is what you see here. It's a 2012 V6 Challenger with 140,000 miles. Unlike other channels, this isn't going to be a show car. Its purpose is to reliably get me to work and back. If it looks cool while doing it, that's cool. It usually doesn't make financial sense to do this, especially for the purpose of resale. Unless you own a body shop, you won't be able to get the work done without spending more than the car's worth. After all, that's the whole reason that the insurance company branded it as salvage in the first place. I spend a lot of time searching through the cars to find exactly what I'm looking for. I don't have the capabilities to straighten significant structural damages, so I stay away from those cars. In this series, we'll get this car back on the road. We'll do a few upgrades along the way as well. I'll be transparent on the budget, and in the end, I'll show you exactly what it cost me. I'm in no way an expert on any of these tasks, but I'm sure not scared to try it, and we can all learn together. Let's resurrect this Dodge. The battery wouldn't charge, so that was the first thing to go. After spending $140 at Walmart, I'm past that problem. I stumbled across a factory 2018 hood online. It was for sale locally, so I jumped on that at a cost of only $375. The hood hinges got tweaked a bit, so I also replaced both of those. I only paid $57 for those on eBay. So far, so good on the budget. So far, I don't see anything that scares me into thinking I've gotten in over my head. I've set a goal to spend around $5,000 getting this car done. That's painted and back on the road. I don't know about you, but I think that's a great price to pay for what I'm hoping the finished product will turn out to be. I've got some surprises up my sleeves on this one, so stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as sharing this channel with your friends that you think might enjoy the content as well. I don't plan to hire any of this work out, so you're going to witness the whole process right here in my own garage, whether I succeed or fail. Let me know what you think we should do to this thing. Thanks for watching.